Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. I hope you all are doing well. Today we will start a new topic from this chapter. But before starting this topic, let's just quickly revise the previous class. So in previous lecture, we learned about the universe. We learned what is universe. We learned what is moon, the characteristics of moon, phases of the moon. There are 8 phases: new moon, waxing crescent, first quarter, waxing gibbous, full moon, waning gibbous, last quarter, waning crescent. So today we will start a new topic called the solar system. So what is the solar system? The solar system is made up of the sun, all the planets and other objects such as asteroid, comets, dust and gas. Now, what is planet? A planet is a large object in the space that moves around the sun, and it does not produce lights of its own. So, our Earth is one of the planets of this solar system, and Moon the only satellite of the Earth. So, there are 8 planets in the solar system: Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune. Mercury is the closest planet from Sun, and Neptune is the furthest planet from the Sun. Now, from our planet, from Earth, we can see Venus in the sky as a star. We can see Venus in the sky either in the west in the evening or east before the sunrise. That's why Venus is also known as the evening star or the morning star. And Venus is the brightest planet in the solar system that we can observe. So, let's just sum up the total topic. Today we learn about the solar system. We learn what is planet. Planet is a large object in the space that moves around the sun. And then planets in the solar system. There are 8: Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune. And then we'll learn about the evening star or morning star, that is also known as Venus, or Venus is also known as evening star or morning star. So that's all for today's topic. I hope this will help you to understand the lecture. Thank you so much.